Hello everyone, Penny here, and this is the second video that I have done to introduce the One Day at a Time journal and mini book journal. So there's many books inside this journal. So I'm just showing you the pieces again that we're going to be working with. Again, there are I think there's three different colors. I said four earlier. I can't remember if there's 3 or 4 different colors of each word. So I'm super excited to work with this kit. I've already completed the prototype, but I'm going to go through it with you all. So I am just choosing my scriptures and getting them matched up because there's 3 different colors, 3 or 4 different colors of each design, and I'm getting my cover ready. I'm getting my template ready, picking out the background papers here that I want to do. There's 3 background papers. Getting my cover, I'm getting some cardboard, and yeah, Fruit Loops, ignore that. I'm not promoting anybody. I'm just cutting this up, and look at that 6-inch. That would have been a 6-inch journal, that inch spine journal. That would have been a big journal. But I'm just getting all my papers together. I'm getting my cover. I'm getting a background paper. Here's the cover, and I'm just cutting around it. And I'm everything printed. I got some regular white paper, and that's just a pre-designed cover. You can print whatever cover. The template is in there for you to use if you want to print your own. It'll say cover on it. You'll see the spine. So I'm just kind of scoring the lines. I got pencil, and I'm just going to trace because I didn't want to use the template, so I just traced that piece. And I'm going to cover my mat board, or my cover boards, the chipboard, the cereal board. I'm going to cover those with paper, and that's why I cut those a little bit smaller than my cover, because I want to cover the cereal board with just regular white paper so that I can have the boards sturdy, and that way I don't have to do a lot of reinforcing. Here I'm just mottering the corners. This is just regular copy paper that I glued it to. I'm going to glue it down, and I'm just going to motter the corners so that it will fit nicely and neatly together. I'm just using Eileen's tacky glue. I don't have any problems with it sticking to the cereal board or anything like that, so I'm making sure that it's stuck real well. And then I'm going to distress it. I'm going to distress it here, and I'm going to glue it to the inside of my cover. Now here is where I kind of have a little bit of trouble. You can see me here kind of lifting and all that. One of the cereal boards I didn't cut short enough, so it kind of went over into the spine a little bit, so it was a little bit longer than I wanted. But at this point, I couldn't fix it. So make sure that if you do it like this method, make sure that make sure that you cut your cereal board just a little bit smaller than the template itself. So then the cover template. Sorry, I had to adjust the camera so you could see me. So I just stuck it on there just like that. I distressed it and stuck it on there. I'm distressing again around the cover edges. Now don't worry about that little bit hanging over, because I'll show you later what I do with that. There's a little bit left over. Here I'm cutting a piece of cardboard for the spine. And again, I'm going to cover it in paper. I'm just testing to make sure the cardboard is short enough so that if I add the paper, I'm going to have enough room.